Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, she is back again. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So guys, today I want to share a quick tutorial with you on how to bust braid. This is a quick demo on how to bust braid, okay, because this was requested by someone. If I can do, even if it's just a short video on how to bust braid, and I said okay, I was doing this bust braid, I said I'm gonna film it, gonna use this opportunity to film this video. As you can see here, I've taken my extension. Now I'm gonna part it. I will part it. One side will be bigger than the other side, as you can see. Now I have crossed the hair with the tiny one. It's not necessary for both to be equal, okay? You want to make one side thicker than the other side. The tiny one you're gonna use to cross the thicker one. Now you're gonna place your index in the bottom, your thumbnails on top, and you're gonna cross with your middle finger. As you can see what I did here. Now you're gonna cross again with your index, your thumbnails, and your middle finger. This is how it is. That is the secret, okay? This is so easy. This is super easy. It's not difficult. And the other way you can also learn how to bust braid is to practice with your friends, your sister, and your mom, you know. Now, as you can see here, I have finished with the roots. Then after I do the root, I'm gonna tie the hair a little bit with the extensions to keep the hair neat, because our hair is totally natural. It's not a perm hair, so you want to keep the hair neat so the hair can look natural, okay? But after when our hair is finished in the extensions, now you're gonna start losing the braids for the hair to look juicy, because the looser the extension are, the braid are, the juicier the hair will be. The tighter the hair are, the dry the hair will be. For me, I like juicy braids. I don't like tight braid, because juicy braid is very nice. It make it look natural and, you know, really soft. Although some people like dry braid, they like it very tight, but I just like it juicy, okay? Okay guys, and now I'm gonna repeat in the other side. Okay, as I said before, this is a very quick tutorial. This is a quick demo, okay? This is not just a whole filming a whole hair on how to bust braid. So I was going to do this even if it's just one seed or two seed to show it to you guys on how to bust braid. I hope this really helps somebody. I hope this helps someone out, and I hope you like it, and I hope you find it useful, okay? So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome. But please, before you finish watching this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell, because that is how you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. I do appreciate you guys, because it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And I also appreciate you guys for all your patience. So yeah, that is it, guys. So I hope you enjoy watching this quick demonstration. As I said before, this is a demo. I know I repeat a lot. It is good to repeat, because that is how people learn, okay? So you can see here, I have finished with the bust braid. Now, as you can see here, I'm gonna place the ends in hot water, but you're gonna have to be careful with your hand and the scalp of the person hair you put in hot water, okay? So you don't burn a scalp and you don't get your hand burned. You don't burn your hand, okay? So yeah, because when you put the hair in hot water, it make the hair relax and it make the hair look nice. Okay, so that is the point, the main reason why I'm putting the hair in hot water. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.